Welcome back to the farm, everybody. Today we're going to turn the side of our utility building into a work of art. Let's get to it. So we're going to add some of these cute little ladybugs and bees, butterflies, some metal mushrooms, and the star are going to be these metal flowers that we're going to paint stems up to. I'll have all the links to these in the video description below. This time of year as we're headed into fall is usually the best time to buy this kind of stuff because it is on sale. I'm just screwing wood screws into the side of the building so that my wife Shelly knows where to paint the stems up to. The wood screws will hold the flower heads in place and it gives her a spot to shoot for the paint. Be sure you're using an exterior grade paint so that this artwork lasts longer and you don't have to go back and touch it up as often. Which one first? This?
Yep.
Yep. All right, so what do you think? We got our ladybugs, butterflies on, our bees are in the flowers, and we even got some mushrooms growing down below. The one thing we didn't show you that you'll need to do is get some clear coat, aerosol, flat clear coat, and spray paint over your stems so that they last longer. Put in the comments down below what you think. If it looks good, remember the links are below if you want to do this project in your garden at your place. And remember, live life in full bloom.